Hey y'all, so I'm gonna try something different today. I seen this and I said, oh, that looks so good. I gotta try that. And what they did, they took some strawberries and they sliced them. They sliced them real thin. And I'm just gonna try what I seen them do. Oh, y'all, that looks so good. Let me show y'all. Let me get started on it. So we just gonna slice up our strawberries just like I'm doing. I ain't gonna make y'all watch me slice all of them, so I'll come back when I get them all sliced and show them to you. Now, y'all, they all thinned out like I want them. And I got my pineapples here, too. So, I'm gonna get me some wax paper. I'm gonna spray this wax paper down. But I'm gonna take all of my fruit right here and put it on here just like this and mix it up. Y'all, this looked so good when I seen it the other day. I said, oh, I got to try this. Because I love this. Now, you're gonna need you some of my favorite chocolate. Okay? Let me show this to y'all while I make my chocolate, okay? I can eat it just like this and I know it's gonna be good, y'all, for real. Y'all, we're gonna pour this chocolate on top of this just like this. Then I'm gonna show it to you. I'm going to take the excess off of here. I ain't need these little few over here. Well, I'm just going to eat them. And now, y'all, show y'all them. I'm going to show this to y'all. Hold on. Here it is. Now, y'all, I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And we're going to see what we got afterwards. Y'all. It is ready. So, y'all, I know y'all can see this. So, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it up. Just like that. Y'all see that? And I'm finna break me a piece. Oh, y'all. Oh, my God. Make me want to dance. Y'all. This is way easier than dipping. Okay. It is so good. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so good, y'all. Try this. Simple, quick, easy snack. This is delicious. My grandma and my dad was saying, there's some good eating right here, girl. Some good eating. That's some good eating. Try this. Oh. It's Grandma Dime good, y'all.